Gold, now we are based on daily chart. All right, as we can see, since last week we had this correction, we mentioned we are looking for the down move, and this is what we get. Okay, and now the question is, as we can see, the price drop and even break this low, which we were expecting. All right, now the question is whether this one can, how deep it can go, whether we should we can expect this one price can drop some more, or any reversal. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it, or can we expect the price will be within this range, can behave. I won't put here, just put here within this channel. That means the possibility whether from here the price can similar one move similar to what we had here, or drop some more, we get the correction drop. All right, anyway, we are not sure. The only thing is we want to see what we will get from here, continuation or correction, or the last one is a reversal. Okay, anyway, we move to forward chart. All right, as we can see based on forward chart, yes, based on forward chart we had this correction since last week, and this is what we get this week, and now that we have this correction. All right, now the question is, can we expect the price from here similar to this, we get one more correction, that means the price can drop one more or not. All right, now we want to see whether we can look with the for trade for the one move down from this correction or not. In this case we move to 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see based on 1 hour chart, if we put back our trend lines which we had for in my last video, we had one here and we had this, and based on what we had, the price broke the trend line. We said if we get a correction, we had this correction, we said, we mentioned if we want to look for sell, we could have a sharp move down and a fly or a small correction. This is what we had it, the first sell we could get from here. Then we have the another opportunity here and here, and the best one was this one and this. But this one, whether traders could trade or take the trade, they could take the trade from here or not, it depends. But these two was a really good trade, we could have it. And now as we can see, if we remove everything, we have a correction here. Now what I want to say that still we can expect the price to drop. As I say, we are not sure how deep it can go, but any sell from from this correction or after this, we get it considered as a short-term trade, because we are not sure how deep it can go, and we don't expect similar to what we have here. That means any trade we get from this, we consider as a short-term trade, and as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. All right, this one is similar to silver. One of the option is we can have entry below this. That means whether we put here or here, it doesn't matter, because these two is close to each other. Then one of the option is to have entry below this, and what we want price sharply drop, take the trade and continue. If we see the price drop and we get the trade but it's not moving, it's correcting, we take with the trade. This second option. First option. The another option is whether we can get any trade with sell setup from within this or not. I don't think we can get, unless based on lower time frame the price start to correct and give a flag from here, then we can get the trade. And if we get the trade, as long as the price come to this level, we need to start to manage it. All right, we see whether, because the possibility the price come here and reverse, that means we get a bigger correction here. All right, and as I say, one of the option having entry below this. The another option, we want to get the sell setup, whether from here or if this one can, if we get more complex correction. All right, what we want a sharp move flag. Okay, in this case, if I move to 15 minutes, all right, as we can see, if the price continue and drop from here, we won't trade it. We won't have the trade setup unless we get a small correction here. Maybe we can take the trade and the price come to this level, we need to start to manage. And if we didn't get it, and if the price whether drop or not, we start to correct and we get a bigger correction, is better for us. Then from there we can get the trade setup within this range. It depends how high it can go. And one more things, how about if the price come here or drop, reverse, similar to what we have here, then having entry below this is not valid. Then we need to see how we can adjust the entry. That means we need to move. It depends how high it can go. Alright, what if having entry below this is based on what we have right now. That's mean if the price from here can drop. If this one become more complex, then we need to look into it. We need to adjust it. Alright, anyway, we are looking for sell. It depends how we can trade from this correction and whether we will get the big correction or this small correction. Any trade we get it, as long as we get it to the profit, we need to start to manage, because we are not sure how deep it can go, because from there maybe the price can reverse. Anyway, we just follow the chart and we see how we can trade it. Thanks.